Consider earning money simply by reading emails on the internet. This approach will enable you to make money repeatedly. So, what is the highest amount of money you can make? You can earn up to $50 if you read 10 emails. Reading 20 emails can earn you up to $150. Reading 30 emails can earn you up to $250, and reading 40 emails can earn you up to $400. I'm going to show you an absolutely free approach so you won't have to invest any money to get started. It's also accessible from anywhere on the globe, so don't worry if you're not from the United States. You can do this whenever and wherever you are. Watch the entire video since it has a unique method that will help you earn twice as much as your opponents and put you one step ahead of them.
Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video.
The first thing you need to do is go to Vindale.com. This is a platform where you may earn money by taking surveys online. However, in this video, we will not be completing any surveys. Instead, you will be reading emails online. Vindale has now paid out over $7 million to its members all throughout the world. As you can see here, the best part is that this website pays you in real cash. I'd like you to check out a website where you can make money by reading emails. Before we get started, I'd want to point out that this website sign-up process is a little confusing because it is only available to users from the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. However, if you're not from one of these countries, you should not be concerned because I will show you how to sign up for free regardless of where you come from. I was hoping you could stay focused so that you can get the most out of this video from me. I don't want you to sign up right away when we get to this page because we need to go to another website before we can begin the sign up process. So, once again, I'll walk you through the process step by step. So take a seat and unwind while watching this video. If you scroll down to this portion of the said website, you will see these categories. As you can see, cars and trucks, politics and current events, sports, home improvement, popular restaurants, new technology, health and beauty, shopping and fashion, lastly, travel and leisure. Now, let me show you how to take the first step. You will make the most money if you read emails about shopping, fashion, and health and beauty. Be sure to choose and read emails regarding the said categories. This will appear whenever you will be choosing one of the categories recommended. You can make $10, $1, or $350 or even more if you work hard enough. If you scroll down below, you will see these many offers and a lot of earning potentials in this platform.
Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online.
Now, let's go back to the homepage of the platform. Once you're here, maneuver your mouse to the upper right portion and click on Sign Up right here. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page wherein you will be entering your important details. I want you to pay attention and listen to me before we start filling up. You're one step closer to getting paid, so follow the steps below to get started. You can even earn up to $25 if you accomplish every right, but there is a catch. You must register correctly. For now, just enter your email address, first name, and last name. Before we proceed, let's take some precautions because this is where the secret technique will be revealed. If you click on the countries drop-down arrow, you will see that there are only 4 countries available: the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. Now, let's do our fantastic trick. Just go to Google and enter a random list and click on Enter. If you are on this page, you will be clicking this one right here, indicating Random List, the random generator of everything. Now, you will be redirected to this page where you can see random addresses and click on that. Random address generators will generate a fictitious United States address complete with city and state zip codes. Some of these addresses generated was real. All you need to do when you're on this platform is click on the addresses right here. Once you click on that, this will pop up. As you can see, you can select addresses in California, Canadian, Florida, London, New York, Oklahoma, Texas, and the UK. I will humbly suggest that you select Canadian addresses and wait until the website reload. By doing the said process, you'll notice that there are various addresses loaded here that are generated at random. As you can see, we can sign up using any of these addresses. Now, let's go back to the registration process once you already have the address you want. In this portion right here, just click on the drop-down arrow and click on Canada. Then, I'll go back to the random address list generator and copy one of these addresses into this box. To put it another way, you must input the address right here on the registration form in order to be qualified for the job. You can always go back and watch it again if you're having problems understanding this process, or simply watch it again to gain a better understanding. Just enter the month that you were born, the date, and the year. Below on that, just select your gender. And for your ethnicity, I humbly suggest that you choose Caucasian White. Then you'll need to create and confirm your own password. Ensure that you agree to the terms and privacy policies of the websites. After you complete the process, just click on Continue right here. You can earn $1 instantly after signing up. That's why you need to view the entire video and follow all of the steps. As you can see above, you may also unlock the $50 by answering surveys. People who did not follow my technique will only be paid $1 to $5. But now that you have followed my instructions and fully signed up, you could be paid $50 or even more. Again, this technique is a little tough, but you can make a lot of money if you follow my directions. If you go to this page right now, you'll notice that people all over the world are making money with this method. Many individuals appreciate the approach behind this website because it has aided them greatly, particularly now that they are in quarantine. You can also earn money online by participating in surveys, referring people, or watching videos. This approach is easy to follow and may be done by a beginner. This is a good place for you to start if you want to generate money online. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.